Well, we were trying to feed the sun.
Just hold those inside those guys. Well, actually, you know what? Well, that one, but this one, Aaron, let's put up there. Yeah. Because that.
Right now it's 5:53. We're here with the nephew Nicholas. We're doing some outdoorsy stuff. Gotta hold this so the boat doesn't swim away. We're here to do some bow fishing. Oh, are those little bluegills or something? We're here with Wayne, Uncle Alvin.
Hold on.
Yeah? Oh, blow up his phone.
Alright, just hang out on the dock.
Watch out, Goose. Yo. All right. Well, shit, it's hella far. Hell no. I know. I gotta get in the water.
Like my little kids, they go in the water.
With their boat.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I need to
It's hella cold. Now we're good. Now we're on the dock. I don't know, Wayne, what kind of fish is that? They're coming up for air, huh? Here we go. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I didn't even know how many people can fit on this boat.
probably Uncle Alvin, you, and then I'm not gonna say all that. I'll probably say a third.
Oh, I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
And then underneath that blue cover wing, grab one for Nicholas. For Nicholas.
Dude, why do you have so many?
Huh?
Why do you have?
Polarized.
I know.
Yeah, give that one to Nicholas.
Ready?
Yep.
Pretty scary. We're gonna be front heavy, boys, because
Yeah, it's polarized, so it can kind of cut through like the water.
Guess how long the water was when we went to.
Uncle Eric's.
Yeah. About, there was like 5 of us too.
Oh, Erickson's got a boat too?
No, we.
They rented one. Does your battery charge while it's on?
Yeah. I just found that out too.
Oh.
I was like, I don't think outboard has like a target system on it. You know what I mean? Depends what they do. Alright, check this one out. I'm trying to set them up right now. That way, once we get there, pull it towards like maybe the water. You know what I mean? So don't pull it straight at somebody. So if you can't pull, make sure you pull from down here, and then you bring up. But if you're not gonna shoot, make sure you guide it back, like it's gonna pull you back like that. Okay? Guide it back, because as soon as you let go, it's gonna go bam, and all this shit's gonna come off. And then what else? So when you shoot this one, because you guys probably won't be shooting mine because it's pretty heavy. You guys can try, but it's pretty heavy. So it's just like a fishing rail. So what you do is this right here, this little black tab right here, always facing up. It'll sit like this. And then when you're getting ready to shoot, I like to throw this over there like that. You're gonna hit this little release button, okay? You hit that, and that's gonna allow the strings to flow out smoothly. Because if you don't hit that, it won't come out. Okay, you'll snap it. So hit that, let it smooth out, come out, and you're just gonna pull. And then when you aim, you're gonna aim from this hole. You're gonna try to cover this hole, and you're gonna use this little green tab, okay? So when you shoot, you're gonna go like this, and then you'll be like this with your right eye, the closest eye that you're to it, okay? So that's the basics of it.
Take this off. Alvin?
Yeah, can you put that one off? That's good.
Wait, can you hold it?
Everybody's good? Wait, you want to come sit right here, Wayne? Come sit right here. So that way your dad's over there.
Alright.
Yeah. So we're gonna go straight to like a shallow area. Because the other day we went out to the dam area. I mean, it was cool and all, but I think the shallow is probably better because it's bigger targets. Stays like this is cool. You know what I mean? But if the wind starts to pick up, well, we got like big ass waves and shit, it might not be good.
left, Nico. Right there. That guy was kind of big. I think those are fins, huh? The very, very tip right here. Oh, yeah. Can you? No. Yeah. Guess we could have hit up the canal, huh? Got some big carp. Is it?
Yeah. The water is warm. Hotter than the pool water. You should feel it.
Oh shit, it's hella hot. It's hot, it's not even warm, it's freaking hot.
Look, you can see the according to the fish finder.
They're way out there jumping.
Bubble areas, I guess. That's carp. Oh, there's a bubble area right here. Probably because, well, it's 22 feet right here, so. I think on this side is probably better when it gets in the water. Huh? All these bubbles right here, Wayne? That's all carp activity. Oh shit, you see it over there? Is that
Fins?
Yeah,
Oh,
you see that?
Too.
All these bulbs are here, right?
Oh, just look over here too. To the back over there.
Okay.
Oh,
So
fins.
they're starting to come up. Yeah. Okay, see that? Let's get up. Get up. You see these fins? They're coming up the air right now.
Over there.
On your right, Nicholas.
Wait, hit the pause button. Hold on. Yeah, hold it. Right below the fin. Body shot.
Straight ahead, dude. You see on Nicholas's left?
There's a lot over there.
I don't know.
Oh, over there too.
I was doing it. You're doing it. They thought. Oh, well, on your left, Nick.
Those are little ones.
got this one last zero. We just got me hold this one. Yeah, we'll just keep this one.
Wait, so what happened?
I only brought 2 arrows.
Oh.
Shouldn't it be floating?
No,
No,
that was no fault.
yeah. No, it's good.
Were you guys going this fast when San Diego went?
Slow.
So you,
Well, we didn't have like this. It was just like that.
oh,
So we just had to turn, hold it, and then turn it.
did you think the boat was gonna get cold?
Cold?
Yeah, the boat ride?
No, 'cause it was hot too.
No, here.
Oh, no.
It got chilly, huh? Nobody ever says that or makes it look like it's chilly, huh?
It's over.
Drop it on the left. released, right? I know. A little bit over. I know.
Wait, you wanna try one? You wanna try?
Which one? That one over there? Here, Nick, you can sit here. I'll sit on the back so I can get a good shot. Fuck.
Behind it.
I know, but there was one right behind it too. Yeah.